Hola, howdy, hello. So, greetings, folks. This is Sarana Naranamurthy here to talk about the mind business. In this session of podcast, we are going to talk about roots of happiness, compassion. Yeah. So, in our earlier sessions, we have spoken about different roots and how they relate in income and with respect to self development. But what is a root if it doesn't relate with happiness, right? Okay, so when I tell about happiness, what comes first? Yes, family. If that doesn't matter, sorry, I don't find any reason to live a better life. And then, friends, your chosen family. So, our entire aspect of living is totally in relation with compassion, love, co living, and caring for each other because that is what the entire life cycle is cared about. So, when we speak about roots of happiness, would you prefer a name root or a grass root? Yes, you are exactly right. A love which is as deep as a name root, relationships which are as wide as grassroots. So don't take me wrong when I say the relationships are like grassroots. It is just like how we all have that one special person in our life who is like that name root, totally anchoring us to the ground. But there are also other supporting people who are like the grassroots and who support us. So why do we need these roots of happiness? What is the one thing which we are looking forward to? Why is it essential? It is to build relationships. In this whole entire world, no matter what we succeed at or what we are great at the end of the day, what really matters is how much were our laughing hours. So, in order to increase our laughing hours, success might give you the pride and it might give you utmost satisfaction, but laughter, no. And that is the main reason why you need compassion, love, and why you need to co live. Just like the grassroots, spread love wherever you go. Make people happy. Build relationships. Nurture relationships. We never know what someone is going to bring for us. We never know how much our single words can matter to them. So, in that case, why would you even not take the chance of making someone's day the best? Right? Develop friendship. We all have the professional network. We network a lot, we meet new people, we exchange visiting cards. How often have we had coffees? How often have we made best friends? Yeah. Develop best friendships and relationships. Once you are in your social life, we most of the time walk out of our external environment, right? Because once we go out, we change the way we behave. We really don't smile at strangers. But have you ever tried just walking out and exchanging a random smile? It just lights up the other person's day. Might be it might not be a bigger issue, or it might not be some bigger sense of deal for you, but we don't know what others are going through. If a single smile can make someone's day better, why not you try that? Relish your family. They are someone who never gives up on you. Whatever happens, no matter what you do, there are certain people in our life who are exactly like the name roots. They anchor you deep to the ground and they never ever turn back. And they are family. Spend some more time with them. The only thing what matters to them is how happy you are and how much time you spend with them. They don't mind how much you earn or what is your profession. Though those might be some aspects, but the major point would be how happy you are in one particular position. Spend qualitative work at workplace and spend quantitative time at home. Your laughing hours is only measured by quantity, not by quality. We don't say high quality laughter and low quality laughter. Laughter is laughter. Yeah. Spend some more time. Love some more. Show kindness. And never ever carry external pressures to your home. A home is a place where you relish, not a place where you dump your tension. So, roots of compassion generally mean just that once you are out of your professional life or once you're still there on your professional life, also have time for relationships. Build your work life balance. If you're gonna earn, and keep running like the pigeon which we saw earlier, it's gonna be of no use. If you're just gonna run, you are a robot, not a human being. turn to a human being. Come home, see a smile, give a smile. So I hope you liked this episode. In case you did, let me know in the comments. It makes me super happy. Spread that one smile over here. So until the next and the last episode of this Wake Up Call series, stay tuned, stay connected, and keep listening to The Mind Business. Signing off with love.